Checking your transaction history on Instagram is essential for managing your purchases and subscriptions. Follow these steps to easily access your transaction records. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account for which you want to check the transaction history. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings at the bottom. Step 4. Navigate to Security. Within the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Security. This section contains various options related to your account's security and privacy. Step 5. View access data. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Instagram. Regularly reviewing this information can help you keep track of your spending and manage your account effectively.